its color and giving some steps to dance, right? So we already know if you wanted to create a new project, we should go to the file option. So click on new. But already I am in that, so no need of going to the file. But for your understanding, I'm just selecting. And whenever you open this, by defaultly you can see this sprite, which is cat. Okay. If you wanted to create duplicate, just with your mouse pointer, right click on the duplicate so that you will get one more sprite. If you wanted to delete, with the same mouse pointer, right click on that, click on delete. Now let's create a project. So whenever we wanted to give commands, for where should we go? We should go to the events block. So this events, take the green flag, come to the motion block, make it move 10 steps. Now add sound. For that, go to the sound block, play meow or any other sounds. If you need sounds others, go to the sound block and select the other sounds. Now I have selected meow, and now wait for 1 second. Now again I'm going to the motion block, and here now I'm changing to move -10 so that it will move front and back. In what direction it will move? It will move in both front and back direction. Okay, let's click on the green flag once. Let's see how it is working. See, it's getting the sound and it's moving, right? It's moving front and back. If you wanted to get the full screen, click on this untitled beside that, so that here you can see the green color flag. No, just click on that so that it's very, see, it's moving front and back, front and back. To stop it, click on the red color one, and to exit the full screen, click again on the button. Now we make the sprite to move. Now what should we do? Let's go to the looks block, and I just want to change its color. So check the change color effect by 25, or else if you wanted to add it some other time, you can remove it. I just wanted to loop this, means I just want to repeat it for 10 times, so put it over here, right? So that it will repeat 10 times. If whatever the number you gave, it will repeat that many times. See here, it's moving front back, right? Now let's again come to the events block, and here what should we do is, here I'm selecting the space key pressed, like always using the green color. No, let's use the space key now. So whenever we click on the space key, the sprite color will change. See, now it is changed to green color. Now it is again changed. So this happens whenever you click either the space key on your keyboard or else on the space button, right? So by this we have created that. Let's select one more sprite. To select a new sprite, click on the new sprite. You'll get many sprites. Now in this, select people. I'm just selecting people. Whatever you want you can select, but I just want to create a dance project, so I am selecting people. Now let's scroll down. Yeah, it's working. Let's wait until it opens. Yeah, oh, here you can see this, right? The girl is moving continuously previously because we gave move 10 steps, right? So within the forever loop, it is continuous, no? So that's why it is moving continually. Now I have removed that move 10 steps, and I have put next costume. And also if you wanted to remove anything, you should remove from the last. Okay, if you remove from the top, it won't move. Now let's attach these both commands here. Now see how the girl's dress is changing, right? The girl dress is changing and the cat is moving front and back. This This is a fun way of learning coding through Scratch, which is an offline version. Even you can practice it in on a online version. And one more thing, if you click here green flag, only the girl is moving. And if you start clicking on the sprite one, and if you click on the green flag here, only cat is moving, right? Now see, whenever I click on both, that is on this, both starts continuously moving. That is the difference. But you may get a doubt, ma'am, she is also moving, right? Because she is moving, I gave there forever. So once if I click on there, she is continuously moving. And if I click on the space key, the cat color is changing. Hope you all just understood this class and enjoyed the sessions. Thank you for watching.